Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are safe and in good health. So today I'll be giving some MCQs of vulnerable and disadvantaged groups and criminal law. So the module which we are going to cover today is the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955. So here is the first question. Section 2A of the Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 defines option A civil rights, option B untouchability, option C religious disability, and option D social disability. And the answer is option A civil rights. Section 2A of PCRA defines civil rights. Second question, the object of the PCRA, which is Protection of Civil Rights Act, is to option A define untouchability, option B abolish untouchability, option C describe punishment for the preaching and practice of untouchability, and the right answer is option C. Next question, preventing any person on the ground of untouchability from entering any place of worship falls under option A religious disability, option B social disability, option C both A and B. So the right answer is option A religious disability. किसी भी पर्सन को हम अगर मंदिर या ऐसी किसी जगह से जो धार्मिक जगह है, मतलब ऐसी जगह से जाने से मना करते हैं ऑन द ग्राउंड ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी, ओके, देन इट फॉल्स अंडर द कैटेगरी ऑफ रिलीजियस डिसेबिलिटी. Fourth question, the provisions of punishment for social disability are given under dash of the PCRA. Option A section 4, option B section 3, option C section 6, and option D section 2B. And the right answer is option A section 4. Fifth question is, whoever on the ground of untouchability refuses to sell goods or refuses to render any service shall be punishable with option A fine of ₹1000, option B imprisonment for a term not less than 1 month and not more than 6 months, option C fine not less than ₹100 and not more than ₹500, option D both B and C. And the right answer is both B and C. Okay, if you are not selling your goods or you are not offering your services to someone on the ground of untouchability, कि ये पर्टिकुलर इंसान जो है ये अछूत है और इसलिए मैं इसे अपना सामान नहीं बेचूंगा या फिर मैं इसे अपनी सर्विसेज जो है वो नहीं प्रोवाइड करूंगा, अगर आप ऐसा करते हो इस तरह का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, तो वो आएगा सोशल डिसेबिलिटी में. एंड उसके लिए जो सज़ा है दैट इज़ imprisonment which will not be less than 1 month and not more than 6 months, and plus you have to pay fine also, minimum ₹100 and maximum ₹500. The next question is, when a person who is convicted of an offence under section 6 of the PCRA, option A his or her license is suspended for 90 days by the state government, option B license is not renewed, option C the court may direct that the license shall stand cancelled or suspended for such period as the court may deem fit, and the correct answer is option C. Court will direct that this particular person's license, either it will be cancelled or it will be suspended, depends upon the court, whatever it suits to that particular case. Next question is question number 7. For the second offence under the PCRA the punishment shall be, मतलब किसी इंसान ने एक बार वो ऑफेंस किया है, ऑलरेडी ही इज कन्विक्टेड फॉर द पर्टिकुलर ऑफेंस विच फॉल्स अंडर PCRA, एंड फिर से अगर सेकेंड टाइम भी वो वही ऑफेंस करता है, देन option A imprisonment not less than 6 months and not more than 1 year, option B fine not less than ₹200 and not more than ₹500, option C imprisonment not less than 1 year and not more than 2 years. Option D, both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. He'll be imprisoned for minimum 6 months and maximum 1 year, and he has to pay minimum fine of 200 rupees and maximum fine of 500 rupees. 8th question, every offence punishable under PCRA is option A cognizable, option B non-cognizable, option C bailable, option D none of the above. Now every offence punishable under PCRA is, इसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन है cognizable. Question 9, whoever abets any offence under PCRA shall be punishable. Option A, with half of the punishment provided for the offence. Option B, with the punishment provided for the offence. Option C, 6 months imprisonment. Option D, all A, B and C. मतलब अगर किसी पर्सन ने अबेटमेंट किया है, ऐसा कोई ऑफेंस जो है वो कमिट करने के लिए, विच फॉल्स अंडर PCRA, मतलब हेल्प की है, he is not directly involved in that particular offense but he has in some or the other way abated to that particular offense, then उसे कितनी सज़ा मिलेगी? जितनी सज़ा उस पर्टिकुलर ऑफेंस के लिए है उससे आधी, या फिर उतनी ही, या फिर 6 months imprisonment, या फिर ये सब. The answer is option B, with the punishment provided for the offense. Next question and the last one. A Buddhist or one professing Buddhism does not belong to a scheduled caste within the meaning of the PCRA. This judgment was given in A. Mangala Parshuram Kelkar versus State of Maharashtra, B. State of Karnataka versus Annappa, option C. State of Karnataka versus Appa Badu Ingde, and option D. Ramachandran Pillai versus State of Kerala. And the right option is option